So hey guys, I'm going to show you all how to download, install and then use the MongoDB in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started with it. In your Chrome, just type MongoDB server download and the very first link, just click on it. Now scroll down and you can see that the version is 7.0.12, which is the current, and the platform will be Windows and the package will be MSI, makes it easier to download. So just download it. I have it already downloaded, as you all can see. I have already downloaded it, so I won't download that. I'll just start the installation in front of you all. So now the window has been popped up for the setup. I'll click the next and make sure that I accept the terms in license agreement and next, and just check out, you can see there is a complete button and the custom button, and below that custom button there is another line that says Mongo shell must be installed separately, which we will be doing later. But before that, let's start with our compass, which is GUI, or you can say that server downloadation. Now click on the complete button and make sure that this all the path and the service name is right, and I guess it's all right. So just click next button and make sure this install MongoDB compass is clicked, and next and install. Now you will see a window popping up for access control. Just do yes, and while this our setup has been happening, let's download the shell, MongoDB shell. Just search for MongoDB shell and the very first link, let's go in that. So now you can see, while after scrolling down, there is a version 2.2 and the platform is Windows. This time we will be downloading it using zip package. Now you can download it as simple as usually we do. I won't be downloading again, as you can see I have it downloaded already. So yeah, now let's see where is our setup. Okay, so this takes a lot of time, so I'll just fast forward it towards when this will be finished. So now then, seems installing has been finished. Okay, now the window has been popped up and the GUI is opened. So now just click on finish. Now in the GUI you can see that there is a MongoDB colon slash localhost. That's a default link, I guess that's what we call it. Don't just think about it much, just connect it. Now then you can see that the default database has been connected. Okay, so now the GUI thing is over. Now go in your file explorer in your C or wherever the program files is located. Check out whether the MongoDB file is folder is created. Okay, now you can see that it is created. There is another server folder, you can see. Now what we have to do, we have already downloaded the shell program. You can see this shell, so just make sure that you click on it. So now you can see we have already downloaded the Mongo shell. So make sure that you just extract it. I want you all to extract that file inside the program files, MongoDB. You see, this is the path, this is where you have to extract that. Now just extract it there, continue. Now let's wait for it to be extracted. It's done. Close the file explorer. Now I want you all to just search cmd and open the terminal. Let's see if MongoDB has been installed or not. Okay, you see it's not recognized yet. So now open your file explorer, go in your program files, MongoDB. Now in the shells, you see this shell, I want you all to go into this folder, then bin. Now this is where the application is. I want you all to copy this path and then search environmental variable. Now you can see the system properties here, so just like click on environment variables and then system variables, check for where is the path. Now click on the new and just paste it. Once done, click on OK, OK, another OK. Now close this file explorer and close this command line and open another CMD and check if it's working. Mongo sh. So yes, it's done. Now let's just type show dbs. Let's see if it's working right. Yeah, it's working right. I can see admin, config and local DBs in my local host setup. So that's it. Now it's successfully done. Make sure hit the like or the subscribe button